Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my video, Caitlin Foods Variety. It's where I upload video every Tuesday, see my Tuesday hairpin, and every Thursday at 7 a.m. Guys, so make sure your post notification bell has been turned on. Make sure you click the section that says all. It says personalized, none, and all. Make sure you click the all, okay? So you will be notified every time a video is been uploaded. So guys, in today's video, am I gonna be talking about my favorite candy here, Werther's? No, not today. I love this candy, guys, but I'm not gonna be talking about Werther's today. Is this a guessing game? Am I going to be lifting weights? Am I gonna be working out, guys? No. Okay guys, let's get into the video. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be making a nutritious powerhouse, nutrient dense superfood smoothie. I'm very excited to share this smoothie that I'm going to be making with you. So let us get right into the video. So guys, for my smoothie, I'm going to be working with the avocado here. The avocado has loads of nutrient, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate. It helps the arteries, guys. And it contains potassium and magnesium. Okay, and then also I'm going to be working with the banana here, which has a high level of potassium. It's high in fiber. It gives energy. Okay, it helps balance. It may help to balance sugar level and also blood pressure. Persimmon, guys. Around this time of the year in Canada, we get persimmon, and I like the persimmon. I get to like it, guys. I never had it in Jamaica, but I had it here in Canada. And the persimmon is sweet, which is why I like it. It kind of reminds me of mango, and the persimmon is also good for you. The persimmon, guys, is an excellent source of fiber, vitamin A and vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and the mineral manganese. Persimmons are fat-free and are a good source of healthy carbohydrates and natural sugar. And I have okra here, guys, that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be dropping 2 okras into my smoothie. The raw peanut, which is also good for you, healthy. Raw peanut is good for you, so I'm making a raw smoothie, guys. It's all raw foods. And I'm going to be working with the vanilla milk, almond milk. And I'm going to be dropping some baby spinach, raw baby spinach, into my smoothie. I have my ice, which is melting. I had taken out for a while. I'm just going to be using the water. I'm going to crack some ice, guys, put it into the vitamin. I'll make a healthy smoothie. And guys, I'm also going to be working with the medjool dates. Dates are natural sweeteners. I'm going to be putting 2 of them in my smoothie. Now let me pour the water that's been melted from the ice, because I had it out for a while. So I give my ice a bit of a rinse, guys, before I put it in. This is the persimmon. As I said, it tastes like mango. Comment down below, guys, and let me know if you have had a persimmon. I like it because it's sweet. It's between mango and sugar cane. It's very sweet. I like to put it in my smoothie. 4 avocados here, but I'm just going to be using 1. And guys, Superfood is mainly plant-based. Plant-based foods are considered to be superfood, and this is all plant-based. Guys, I love avocado. Comment down below and let me know if you love avocado, guys, because not everybody likes avocado, but I feel blessed that I love avocado, because for whatever reason some people don't like avocado. And also it depends on the type of avocado too. and the taste. Avocado on a whole, I love avocado. There I have the ice, the water remaining from the melted from the ice, the water melted from the ice, the persimmon, the avocado, and then here I have 2 okra. So guys, if you don't like okra, right, some of these things that I'm putting in my smoothie is optional. Okay, so, and this is spinach, the baby spinach. See, I have like 6 leaves there, and I'm not gonna use all the persimmon. I left some behind. Like the powerhouse the powerhouse smoothie could consider of just the avocado and the ripe banana, okay, and little milk, and yeah, just those 2 things alone makes it a super food smoothie, powerhouse filled nutrient dense smoothie. And also, you know, if you love spinach, then you drop your spinach in. And also guys, if you don't even like the okra, I mean, you're not tasting it, right? You could put 1 okra or 2 okras. That won't hurt. I especially enjoy smoothie before the winter starts, before it gets freezing cold. Or if I'm making my smoothie in the winter time, I don't put ice. In this smoothie you could also put oats, but I won't add any oats today, and I'll just put this much. Can you see? I'll put this much peanut. That's probably a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. I'll put some more. I haven't started blending as yet, but I love what I see. And this is the medjool date, guys. See, Natural Delights medjool dates. Dates are natural sweetener. I have to feel this date to make sure there's no seed. Okay, there, the date had seeds, so I took them out. So check your dates, guys. Even though they might say it's seedless, I still check them out. And guys, these milk are like 2 something, but they're on sale for 50 cents. Vanilla, this is the vanilla unsweetened almond, and normally they're 2.40 something. So 50 cents is not bad price, and they haven't expired as yet. You can measure if you want to. Just gonna pour. I'm just gonna check down here to see what's going on. Pour some milk. Like maybe that's probably a cup of milk. Right, for your smoothie you don't need more than, with the ice, a cup of milk. 1 cup or less of milk. And I like the almond milk. The tamper stick allows it to blend faster, less work on the blade. Okay, so that's what the tamper stick is used for. And yeah, I did put 2 dates in there as I showed you, so I'm just pushing it down a bit. And now let's go. Smoothies are good for you first thing in the morning when you wake up, or you know, after getting home from work, after a hard day's work, or after you hit the gym. You get home from the gym, working so hard, lifting weights and what have you. Working so hard, lifting weights, getting home from the gym. Smoothie is one of the perfect picker-upper. The smoothie is what you need to boost your energy. There it is, guys. The Powerhouse Nutrient Densed Superfood Green Smoothie. With the spinach, the avocado, all these delicious, let me pour it for you to see. Delicious, nutritious food that Mother Earth provides for us. Would you say Mother Earth, guys? Mother Earth or Father Earth? I say Mother Earth. Okay? And there it is. Let me see if I can get you to see clearly on screen here. Because of the light, guys, the glare of the light. I want you to see the green. See? Go green. Go green. Guys, I was trying to look for the apron that my mom that I wore in class in Jamaica, but I could not find it. But I came across this. This was folded up, guys. I know I should have ironed it out. Okay, but I was excited when I came across it. So I'm just trying to pick it up here in the light, the glare. I made that in class. Okay, this is not the cookery class I made this in. I made this in the home economics class. A little birdie there in the rain. Okay, guys, so we had to draw, or what I wanted to do on my project was just to draw, draw a design. I wrote the Sunday word, and I drew the umbrella, draw that picture, and then I used a needle and crochet and sewed it in. That was what I did. That was in a dress class. So I was in HB 41, and HB 41, H stands for home economics and B stands for building. Okay, so mostly boys that did the building, but as a girl, as a woman, you could have done building if you wanted to go into the building class. But yeah, HB 41 stands for home economics and building. I'm just getting you to take a look at the back if you want to see how I finished it. Okay, we had to finish it neatly to get a good mark in class. So this was the dress class. I was in the home economic, the cookery class, and the dress class. Okay, dress is what we call it, sewing class. I will look for the apron and get you to see it. Cheers to health, long life. Health is wealth, guys. Cheers, and make sure you're drinking your green. This is perfect, guys. This is perfect. Tastes is good. It's not too sweet. It's not fresh. I like when my smoothie has a bit of a taste, just that hint of sweetness. And the persimmon with the dates, with the bananas, those three things, perfect. With the peanut, like everything, guys, the spinach, everything, it's just perfect. Guys, if you try the smoothie, try it with everything. The okras are also good for you, but you don't have to put, and if you don't even like okras, it's a good way to, put it in your smoothie. You won't even taste it. Guys, I think I'm gonna be having seconds. Thank you for joining me in another video. I like when you guys comment. Go into the comment section and comment down below. Okay, guys, please comment down below. If you're liking my videos, guys, share it with your friends and tell them to hit the subscribe button, and make sure you check your button. Okay, guys, check to make sure it is enabled. Your subscribe button is enabled. If it's red, showing red, then you click on it. It's not enabled if it's on red. Okay, you can follow me on Facebook or Instagram. Mainly Facebook. I post, I'm able to post directly the YouTube videos too with a link. So I try to post to both Instagram and Facebook. At Facebook, you can find me at Faithlyn Fennell, and on Instagram, it's Faithlyn_. Stay safe and don't forget to wear your mask. Okay, guys, please give the video a thumbs up, like the video, and see you in the next one.